Share with him now. He's got a pirate sword. What are you gonna show him now?
No.
Huh?
There's nothing.
I thought you were gonna show him some more stuff.
I just don't want to.
Well, Bo, I was trying to get video because I thought he was gonna share more pirate stuff with you. What you doing? Hey Tripper, show me which Octonaut you got today. Can you show me which Octonaut you got today? Where is it? Who's that? Peso. Cheese. Good job, Peso. Okay.
Bye.
All done? All done, Mr. Bo? Okay, bye-bye.